Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, tmosso@the1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability questions concerning this watch. And this watch is a Rolex Certified Pre-Owned Oyster Perpetual Day-Date, reference 118206. We're talking K series, and based on the serial itself, the K sequence puts it right at the end of 2000 or the beginning of 2001 in terms of era. It's a 36 millimeter day-date. You can see 12.1 millimeters thick from lug tip to lug tip, just the case 43 millimeters. From end link to end link, it's 47 millimeters, and then we have a 20 millimeter spacing between the lugs. We'll throw it on my wrist, which is 16 centimeters in circumference, and I should mention that I did actually put this watch on the scale, and if you want to know what a full platinum, full bracelet day-date weighs, even at 36 millimeters, it was 221.42 grams, practically half a pound. On the wrist, it wears beautifully. The 12.1 millimeter thickness means it'll fit easily under a cuff, and you can see how much clearance I have on each side of my wrist. This is suitable for a man or a woman. It would wear well on a wrist as small as 13 centimeters, let's say 13 and a half centimeters circumference, because that I've seen done. My wrist again is 16, and I have so much clearance between the edge of the lug and the edge of my wrist. Throw in the watch now under the spotlight of my camera. Taking a look at the President bracelet. When the day-date launched in 1956, it quickly gained the nickname President because of its illustrious and, in many cases, world-leading clients and owners. The watch, however, was always named the Day-Date. The bracelet is formally known as the President, and the President is a three-link design that has a lot of the best features of the Jubilee and the Oyster, being a robust three-link design like the sporty Oyster, but also with small links for flexibility, souplesse, and great ventilation of the wrist on a hot day, like the five-link Jubilee dress bracelet. Single-fold clasp, you can see internally media blast and polish. It's actually a complicated version of the traditional crown clasp. So the original crown clasp, the claim to fame was that the crown was the only sign of the partition between the two halves of the bracelet, and it used to be just a friction fit mechanism. Here you can actually see that there's an articulation with a beak and a hook, and these two things snap together. So to release this, you actually have to lift that to unlock it, so it gives a lot of security. You can see here removable links on both sides are fixed by screws for adjustability, and I promised this would vent well on a hot day. You can see the gaps between the links to allow the wrist to breathe. It has a little bit of a taper down from the end link towards the clasp, and then we have a conforming end link on each side to mate it cleanly to the case. Twin lock crown in platinum. How do you know? It has one dot. That'll always tell you what the crown's made of and whether it's triple lock or twin lock. Screw down crown, oyster style case back, 100 meters water resistant. Underneath the case back, manufactured caliber 3155, bidirectional automatic winding, 4 hertz, 31 joules, 48-hour power reserve, hacking with a double quick set, which we'll see in a minute, free sprung with full balance bridge for shock resistance, overcoil hairspring for superb timekeeping in any physical orientation, and adjusted 5 times and tested by the COSC in 5 positions. The movement is a COSC certified Swiss chronometer. Taking a look at the dial side now, let's talk about what I meant when I said double quick set. Well, you understand the hacking second. That stops the seconds hand. Now we can set the watch to our reference time. But we've also got another feature, which is the ability to set the date when we turn in the intermediate position, and in the same position, turning in the opposite direction, we can set the day. And you can see how the day will change, but the date will remain 31. So that is the double quick set. That came into being in 1988 on the first of the double quick set day dates. Taking a look at the dial now, you can see the evolution of the ice blue or glacier dial, often associated with Rolex Platinum models. It's far more obviously saturated blue today. Initially, it was like this. It was almost an imperceptible blue tint on silver metallic sunburst. It's very subtle in these earlier watches. It's still evident, but it's not something that broadcasts itself quite like the super blue, almost iridescent blue ice dials of today's platinum Rolexes. By the way, platinum is a wonderful material. It truly is as white as ice, which is why it's often a choice for those who are setting diamonds, or if you're going to set diamonds on white gold, they'll plate the watch with a platinum family metal to make the white gold as white as the diamonds, but platinum is naturally that white. Taking a look at the dial now, we have white gold elements for the crown, the numerals, and the hands. And you can see the hands for the hours and minutes. They're faceted down their center for better contrast. We have a chemin de fer, or railroad track outboard, for reading our minutes and seconds. And then you could see that we have a lovely and very serif intensive font for the date. If you love this watch, there is lots to love. It's a flagship Rolex, half a pound of high-class mass, all of this in a package that almost anyone can wear. So reach out to Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase and pricing details. Rolex Certified Pre-Owned watches are backed and authenticated by Rolex. Should any reconditioning be necessary, it will be to a Rolex Certified standard, and any parts invested Rolex Factory Original. Should the initial retail box, paper, and accessory set still accompany the watch, it will be included with the sale. But no matter what, a certified pre-owned box and paper set starts with an outer box, a leatherette travel pouch with suede lining, a warranty card that embodies the 2-year globally valid Rolex-backed warranty. Note, this is not a retail warranty, but backed by Rolex and actionable at any of its authorized points of sales and service. A leatherette wallet includes the warranty terms and conditions manual. A holographic hang tag marks this as a certified pre-owned Rolex watch, and a manual details Rolex's values as a company. The certified pre-owned program: care, feeding, service, and use of your Rolex, locations of points of sales and service, and details of Rolex.com. Rolex certified pre-owned watches are backed only by Rolex.